In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cloudflare needs to review the security of your connection error. If you've ever encountered this notice while trying to access a website, don't worry. You're not alone, and the solution is often quite straightforward. We'll walk through some simple steps to resolve this issue, focusing on enabling cookies and clearing your browser cache. These steps should help you navigate past this obstacle and improve your browsing experience. To begin with, it's important to understand what Cloudflare is aiming to do with this message. Essentially, Cloudflare is a service that protects websites from malicious attacks and ensures security for both the site and its users. The message you see is part of its system to verify that you are a legitimate visitor and not an automated bot. If you're getting stuck at this step, the issue might be linked to your browser settings or an old cache. So, let's work through these two primary solutions. First, let's talk about enabling cookies. Cookies are small pieces of data sent from a website and stored on your computer by your web browser while you're browsing. They remember your activity and preferences over time, which plays a crucial role in enhancing your browsing experience. To allow cookies for the particular website causing trouble, navigate to your browser's settings or preferences section. Look for the Privacy or Security tab, where you'll find an option related to cookies. Ensure that cookies are enabled for the website in question. If you've made changes, try reloading the page to see if this resolves the error. Sometimes old cookies can also create issues, so you might want to clear them specifically for this website and start fresh. Once we've made sure that cookies are set correctly, let's move on to clearing your browser's cache. The cache is essentially a storage of temporary internet files on your device, which helps speed up browsing by saving certain elements like images and scripts. Occasionally, this might lead to loading issues if the stored data is outdated or corrupted. To clear your cache, go back to your browser's settings and find the History or Privacy section. There should be an option to clear cache and cookies. Make sure you're only clearing the cache and cookies so you don't lose other browsing data like saved passwords or form data, unless you choose to do so. After clearing your cache and cookies, it's a good practice to restart your browser. This step ensures that any small changes you made in the settings take effect. Simply close all your browser windows and then reopen the browser. Lastly, try visiting the website again. With cookies enabled and a clear cache, you should bypass Cloudflare's security review smoothly. If you're still facing issues, there might be other underlying factors at play, such as browser extensions or privacy settings, but the steps we've covered here are often effective for many users. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech guides and tips.